Of course, the shorter the effective life, the better the depreciation for you. Hey guys, Tuan here from Duratax Quantity Surveyors. Today we'll be looking at the top 5 depreciable assets you can claim inside your kitchen. We'll be assessing the approximate cost of these assets, as well as the effective life, which is the length of period in which the ATO recognises these items will last, and it ultimately determines how fast the items will depreciate. Of course, the shorter the effective life, the better the depreciation for you. Number 5, flooring. Flooring is made up of vinyl and the effective life is 10 years with a value of $30 a square metre. This is the most common type of flooring you will find in kitchens, as well as tiling. It is the cheapest of the bunch when compared to timber flooring and even carpet, which timber flooring is valued at $90 a square metre, but it is the dearest but has the longest effective life at 15 years, which means it takes longer to claim all that value back. Number 4, floor standing cooktop. It has an effective life of 12 years and can be purchased and installed by an electrician for $1,200. It's always worth noting this is where Duratax tries to add more value, and that is by assessing not only the purchase price itself, but also assessing for the amount of labour that is required to install the asset ready for use, ultimately increasing the depreciable value that you can claim as an investor. Number 3, range hoods. These assets have an effective life of 12 years and can be purchased and installed ready for use for $600, which means because they're less than $1,000 in value, they'll be able to be added to the low value pool for accelerated depreciation rates of almost 19% in the first year alone, and then 40% in the consecutive years to follow. Number 2, dishwashers. Dishwashers have an effective life of 8 years and can be installed for $1,100 typically. And number 1, fridges. These can be purchased and installed for around $1,200 with an effective life of around 8 years. So these form the 5 most common depreciable assets in your kitchen. These are some of the things we look for when surveying a residential investment property. If you want to learn more about how much depreciation you can claim for your kitchen or your property in general, visit us at duratax.com.au and see you next time.